Welcome to GK World. Number 1. Abid Hassan was close aide of Dash. A. Bhagat Singh. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Mohan Singh. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 2. Who founded the Indian National Army Azad Hind Fauj to overthrow British Empire from India? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Mohan Singh. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 3. Who is also known as the Iron Man of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Murli Manohar Joshi. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 4. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? A. Guljari Lal Nanda. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Number 5. Name the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. A. Abul Kalam Azad. B. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer B. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Number 6. Name the historical movement of India below dash. A. Hawa Mahal. B. Mysore Palace. C. Taj Mahal. D. Victoria Memorial. Answer C. Taj Mahal. Number 7. Quit India movement was started by dash. A. Bhagat Singh. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Shivram Jagadguru. Answer C. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 8. Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. She is also called the Mother of India. A. Annie Besant. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sucheta Kriplani. Answer B. Indira Gandhi. Number 9. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Answer A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Number 10. When was the Indian national song sung for the first time? A. 1857 revolt. B. 1896 season of the Indian National Congress. C. 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre. D. None of the above. Answer B. 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. Number 11. The national anthem was composed by dash. A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer C. Rabindranath Tagore. Number 12. Where did the formation of Azad Hind Fauj take place? A. Germany. B. Russia. C. Singapore. D. Thailand. Answer C. Singapore. Number 13. Who was the founder of Bihar Vidyapeeth? A. Abdul Kalam Azad. B. J.B. Kripalani. C. Lokmanya Tilak. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 14. Name the animal unknown to the people of the Indus Valley civilization. A. Cow. B. Dog. C. Horse. D. Rhinoceros. Answer C. Horse. Number 15. Name the city of the Indus Valley civilization which was discovered first. A. Amri. B. Harappa. C. Lothal. D. Rangpur. Answer B. Harappa. Number 16. What did the Indus Valley civilization people usually build their house with? A. Mud. B. Pakka bricks. C. Stone. D. Wood. Answer B. Pakka bricks. Number 17. Which among the following is the oldest text? A. Gita. B. Mahabharat. C. Ramayana. D. Rigved. Answer D. Rigveda. Number 18. Which law was the Dandi March led by Mahatma Gandhi a protest against? A. Salt Act. B. Rowlatt Act. C. Vernacular Pass Act. D. Land Revenue Act. Answer A. Salt Act. Number 19. Which year did the First War of Indian Independence occur? A. 1857. B. 1942. C. 1919. D. 1930. Answer A. 1857. Number 20. Who was known as Netaji? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer C. Subhash Chandra Bose.